Power BI service is the cloud side of Power BI app.powerbi.com. It is where published reports live, where dashboards are pinned, and where colleagues consume the content you build in desktop. Workspaces. A workspace is a container that holds reports, datasets, dashboards, and data flows for a team or project. Workspaces have roles: admin, member, contributor, viewer, that control who can edit and who can only view. Typical workspace layout. Datasets, the underlying data model. One dataset can feed many reports. Reports, the multi-page interactive documents you built in desktop. Dashboards, single-page pinned summaries combining visuals from one or many reports. Apps, a packaged, polished version of a workspace published to end users. Reports versus dashboards. A report is multi-page, fully interactive, and built in desktop. A dashboard is a single page made of tiles pinned from reports, designed for at-a-glance monitoring. Publishing workflow. Build the report in desktop. Click Publish. Choose a workspace. The dataset and report appear in the service. Set up scheduled refresh so the data stays current. Share via direct access, an app, or by embedding in Teams, SharePoint. Collaboration. Add comments to visuals to discuss findings with colleagues. Subscribe to receive a PDF of the report by email on a schedule. Use Microsoft Teams integration to bring reports into team channels. Try this. Explore a sample Power BI workspace structure on paper. List 3 reports your team might need. For example, sales, operations, finance. Identify the shared dataset that could feed all 3. Decide who should be admin, member, and viewer.